Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it is the gorgeous Lumene advent calendar. 24 Nordic wonders all the way from Finland. I bought this off the Look Fantastic website for £89.90 and it has a value of £204. If you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself, you'll find links in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up. I love this brand, absolutely love it. I bought this advent calendar last year and it had a lot of my favourite products. So I'm interested to see how this year differs. I remember last year it had a Moomin lip gloss and I hadn't heard of Moomin since I was really little. But apparently in Finland, Moomins are everywhere. Everyone loves Moomins. So I hope that we get some Moomin beauty products inside. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. Look. Oh, so exciting. Okay. What is Nordic women's natural beauty secret? Despite the piercing cold and drying winds of the northern longitudes, Nordic women remain fresh-faced and youthful looking. This resilient, healthy radiance forged by a primal relationship with an extreme yet pure and generous Arctic nature is our inspiration at Lumene. Rooted in the well-being rituals of northern Finland, our Arctic spring water-infused formulas harness the power of various wild Arctic ingredients unlike any other. This is the secret of naturally luminous skin. We call it Arctic Lumenessence. Day number 1 down here. We've got a Nordic Sea cleansing gel scrub. And we've got 15 mils here. The Nordic Sea range is my favourite range. Smells really lovely. Yeah, really nice. This is a new product for me. I don't think I've tried this one. So that's day number 1. Day number 2. And we have got the 72 Hydra Gel Mask. This is from their Nordic Hydra Oxygen Recovery range. And there's 15 mils here as well. Now, is this the range? No, I think there's another one specifically for super dry skin. Look at that. It looks fab, doesn't it? Smells really nice as well. Apply a generous amount onto your face, leave on for 15 minutes and then rinse off. So that's day number 2. Day number 3, we've got a Nordic Bloom. It's a new range for me. I haven't tried this one. Anti-Wrinkle and Firm Moisturizing Eye Cream. And again, 15 mils there. Apply a small amount to eye area after cleansing. Just a tiny bit. Feels really nice. No, it doesn't smell. I was expecting it to smell rosy or something like that, but it doesn't. Yeah, so we've got an eye cream. Day number 4. We've got a Arctic Hydra Care Protecting Day Fluid Mineral SPF 30. Brilliant. UVA, UVB, and we've got 10 mils here. Oh, something new for me to try. Yeah, I forgot to say these are all cruelty-free and vegan, and this one in particular is 93% naturally derived. So yeah, protecting day fluid with SPF 30. I just want to see how thick it is. No scent, no scent. There's that. Day number 5 at the top here. That's a really long box for this product. I was expecting it to be, I don't know, like a mascara or something. This is a matte oil control primer, pore minimizer for normal and combination skins, and we've got 5 mils here. So a little teeny tiny one. Ooh, it does feel nice. I'm showing you, you're not going to be able to see anything, but yeah, it feels as if it's going to be great on my skin. Perfect for my nose. But look, they're all starting to jiggle around now. Day number 6, I think it's 6 and not 9. No, it is 6, because, yeah. And we have got... Oh, I love this. This is Nordic Sea and this is Glow Reveal Moisturizer and we got 15 mils here. It is gorgeous. It's clear, as in it's not tinted or anything. They do a gorgeous skin tint. Really lovely. But no, this one is clear. Leaves the most amazing natural sort of glow to your skin. Oh, I really like it. I'm so glad that I got another one. I don't know why it doesn't smell, But one thing I have bought a few days ago, and it is a Lumene. I'm not sure if we'll have it in here, but it's a primer, but it's got SPF 30 in it, and it's an illuminating primer. I love it. That with this moisturising cream is beautiful, so no, I'm chuffed at that. Chuff. Day number 7 here. We got some makeup. This is Luminous Shine Hydrating and Plumping Lip Gloss in shade Soft Pink. That looks pretty. As long as it's not a baby pink, too pale. No, it's a tinted lip gloss. There, it just gives a little bit of a flush of colour to the skin. Now that's lovely. Hydrating and Plumping Lip Gloss. Day number 8. We've got the anti-aging range, and this is Nordic Ageless. This is a pressed serum, and we've got 15 mils here. And I've tried this before. I love the fact that it's like a moisturiser. And these sizes do last quite a while actually, because you only need a tiny bit. Yeah, it's lovely. Day number 9. If you're noticing that there's a difference with the lighting, it might seem a little bit darker in here, not as clear and vibrant. It's because my ring light is not working. Nothing wrong with it, it's just the electricity has been cut off. Completely forgot, but they did give us a letter saying that it'd be off for most of the day today. So I thought, oh, stuff it. I'll use what natural light I've got to do some videos. Oh, ooh, something new for me. So yeah, so if it's a little bit darker than usual, that is why. We've got a waterproof eye and lip makeup remover with Nordic Bilberry water. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, I love it. I love the packaging. It's so nice, isn't it? Look here. Day number 10. And we have got a Nordic Sea Overnight Bright Sleeping Cream. And there's 15 mils here as well. And I've tried this before. I've actually got it by the side of my bed. But I've got a lot of overnight creams, so I just pick and choose different ones. But no, I'm not going to open it up because I have got one by the side of the bed. It just says, apply to face and neck after cleansing every evening. So there's that. Day number 11. Over here. We've got a Nordic Hydra Fresh Moisture 24-hour water gel. And there's 15 mils there as well. So you apply it to your face and neck after cleansing, and it's a moisturiser. 24-hour water gel there. Day number 12. And we've got a full-size blush. This is an, oh no, it's not blush. It's a luminizer, instant illuminizer. Shake well, applied to cheeks and brow bones, and there's 15 mils here. I love that we've got a full-size item. Have we had any more full-size? Yeah, we've had a lipstick so far, haven't we? That's full-size. This has got a gorgeous sort of pale pink, sort of salmon shade to it, but not like pearly, you know? Oh, that is nice. That is so, ooh, I wasn't expecting to like it as much, actually. Can you see? It's not glittery, it's not shimmery. It's quite a dewy looking highlighter. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, lovely. Yeah, really happy with that. So there's that. Day number 13. And we've got a brightening beauty lotion. This is from the Nordic Sea range. And I've got the full-size version of this. Try it with cotton wool or a usable like makeup round. And yeah, all your hands, you just tap it into your skin. Yeah, it's lovely. Really nice. So there's that. Day number 14. This is a Blueberry Sensitive Automatic Eyeliner, suitable for sensitive eyes. Does that mean it's purple? No, it looks black to me. Oh, that's super soft. Yeah, you can see there. It is super soft, so great for smudging and smoky eyes. But why is it called blueberry then? It's obviously got blueberry in it. So day number 15. And we got a micellar water. I got this one as well. Well, I say I got it. It's used. I think I had it in last year's advent calendar. This is Pure Arctic Miracle 3-in-1 micellar cleansing water. And there's 50 mils there. A really nice size. Yeah, it's lovely. It is a really nice cleansing water. Leaves my skin feeling really nice and clean and soft as well. Yeah, I do really like it. Day number 16. And we've got, oh, I'm so happy about this. I love this advent calendar so far. There's a heck of a lot of products I haven't tried before, including this Nordic Sea range, which is my favourite. This is a brightening day fluid, mineral SPF 30. It's like the other one that we've had, but this is got Nordic Sea in it, so it's more brightening. Excited about that. Love the fact that I've got 2 of them. I think we're on day number 17, aren't we? And we have got a mascara. This is Essential Volume Mascara, Ultimate Volume, Curl and Length. That's the outer packaging. What is the wand like? Ooh. So I wonder if that will be enough to actually grab my lashes. I've got really short, thin, straight, really horrible eyelashes. We had a mascara in last year's advent calendar and I didn't like it. It just did not suit me, so I hope this one suits me. Suits me, you know what I mean. Works well on my lashes. So there's that. Day number 18 down here. And we have got Arctic Hydra Care Moisture and Relief Rich Day Cream. So this is for super dry skins that need that extra bit of moisturization in the skin. It is really, really nice. It is nice. It is a little bit too rich for me, but sometimes I do have dry skin in the winter. I've got combination skin, but sometimes I do get quite dry around here and around the edges of my face then. Perfect for if you're an outdoor worker and you work in the winter in all the elements. There's that. Day number 19. Again, it's a little tiny one with a long box. Oh, this is a hydrating eye gel, Nordic Hydra Purity Dew Drops, and there's 5 mils here. And I've tried this before as well. It's really nice. I love a gel for your eye area. It just feels so nice and refreshing, especially if you pop it in a little fridge as well. So yeah, no, I'm happy that I've got another little one. Day number 20. Oh, a few more to go. And we've got a full-size setting spray. This is Dewy Glow. It's skincare infused makeup for all skin types. And it's 50 mils. I think it's full size, or maybe not. Maybe it's a little travel size. How lovely. I haven't tried this before. Have to try it. How... No, it's fine. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it smells really nice as well. Oh, yeah, just really nice and fresh. Am I all dewy and glowy? I love that. Infused with brightening Nordic willow herb, hydrating Nordic algae and Arctic spring water. Yeah, I love that. Day number 21. And we've got another product from the Arctic Bloom range. This is Anti-Wrinkle and Firming. And we got a day moisturizer there. I'm going to have to look on the Lumene website for more information about these ranges, because I haven't tried them before. Oh, they're so good though. I absolutely love this brand and I have done for a couple of years. Yeah, really, really love them. Day number 22. We've got an eyebrow fixing gel. This is Nordic Chic. So it's a fixing gel. How strong are you going to be? Oh, I won't put it on my eyebrows because I've got makeup on it, but I just want to see if I can test the stickiness. No, I can't really because I've got all blinking moisturizers and stuff all over my hands. I always use eye gels, so no, excited to give that a go. Day number 23. And we've got a brightening gel mask from the Nordic Sea range. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. I've got the full size version of this. I just leave it on my face for about 10 minutes and then you rinse off and it leaves my face feeling super clean, but just really nice and fresh as well. Yeah, I do really like it. Look. Can you see? Jelly. So there's that. Day number 24, the last day in the advent calendar. And oh, pretty, we've got an oil. We've got a Nordic Hydra Moisturizing Prebiotic Oil Cocktail, and there's 15 mils here. And I haven't had this one. So you just mix it up together. Shake it up. Let's try it on this hand. Ooh. Oh, it feels really beautiful. that has absorbed into my skin really, really nicely. It doesn't leave like a sticky, tacky sort of oil surface, you know, like an oily surface. No, that's gone in there. Oh, that is really nice. So yeah, Nordic Hydra oil cocktail, prebiotic oil. So those are all the items inside this year's Lumene advent calendar. The cost of the advent calendar is £89.90 and it has a value of £204. I absolutely love it. I am so chuffed that it's different to last year, because some advent calendars, like the NYX one for instance, you know, they're very similar from year to year. There's lots of products in here I haven't tried, and yes, there are some that I have and I absolutely love, and I've gone on to buy the full-size versions. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Are you watching this video because you're just curious and seeing what's inside and my reactions, maybe wondering whether this advent calendar is for you or not, or have you already bought it and you're just curious and seeing what I think of it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.